Ever wondered why we have different seasons? Why do leaves fall in autumn? And why does everything bloom in spring? Well, today we are diving into the fascinating world of seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Have you ever noticed how, during winter, everything seems to be sleeping? That's because winter is the coldest season of the year. Many animals hibernate to escape the harsh weather, and trees shed their leaves to conserve water. This season is like a long nap for nature, preparing for the vibrant life that comes with spring. Speaking of spring, it is the season of rebirth and renewal. It's like nature wakes up from its long winter sleep, stretches its arms and yawns a big yawn, ready to embrace life again. Flowers bloom, trees sprout new leaves, and animals come out of hibernation. It's a time when everything feels fresh and new. Then comes summer, the warmest season. It's a time of abundance. The trees are full of ripe fruits, and the fields are filled with golden crops. The days are longest, and the nights are shortest. It's a time of activity and energy. Finally, we have autumn, otherwise known as fall. It's a season of change, where the leaves turn from green to shades of red, orange, and yellow before falling off the trees. It's a time of harvest, where we collect the fruits of the summer's abundance. Each season has its own unique beauty and significance. Winter brings a time of rest and reflection. Spring brings renewal and growth. Summer brings warmth and abundance. Autumn brings change and preparation for the cycle to begin again. Understanding the seasons helps us appreciate the natural world around us and the rhythm of life it sustains. It reminds us that change is a natural part of life and that each season brings its own unique gifts. So the next time you see a leaf fall from a tree or a flower blooming, remember that it's all part of the beautiful cycle of seasons. And perhaps you'll see the world around you in a whole new light. That's it for today's exploration of the 4 seasons. Remember, each season brings its own unique charm and beauty. So whether it's the chill of winter, the blossoms of spring, the warmth of summer, or the colors of autumn, there's always something to look forward to. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep appreciating the wonder of nature that surrounds us.